Well, hello. I went out and bought me this Chapin sprayer. I got ready to assemble it. Now I need you to help me problem solve. There's a huge glitch going on here. So this is what I have. This is my sprayer right here. It came with instructions. Here's the wand. It should be easy to assemble. I put it together. Tried to put this part in here, but somebody had one job and didn't put the adapter on this part here. This part right here. So I can't put this thing together. So I had to call customer service. They're going to send me an adapter so I can get this part to screw on and be tightened so I can use it. Like I said, one job, epic fail. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.